Hi, I'm Steve Thorne, President and CEO of STRONGARM. We're a small to mid-sized manufacturing company that designs and produces innovative and ergonomic workstations. We're a growth company that is focused on building the highest quality and the most innovative solutions for our customers. Like most companies our size, we run with a lean IT staff and have historically been hesitant to invest in new operational software systems because we felt that the cost and the effort of implementing emerging technology would outweigh the benefits and disrupt our ability to meet our customers' requirements. What we really liked about Augmentir is that they're a modern, SaaS-based company that really fit within our IT needs. It only took a few hours to implement, and we started creating new procedures that same day. Today, our QA personnel now author their own quality procedures using Augmentir. Our new QA procedures are fully electronic and embed all as-built photos and data collection directly within the procedure. When the QA process is completed, reports are automatically generated and distributed to the appropriate individuals or customers. We found that this new process saved us 15 minutes on every 30-minute inspection, doubling the capacity of our QA inspections, which of course saves us time and money, but more importantly, we never have to worry about not having the data at our fingertips for compliance. That's the real benefit, because customer satisfaction is our number one goal.